Hello everyone, my name is Astad Gupta. You are watching Course Vida, and today we are gonna talk about open source. तो ओपन सोर्स ना फूड रेसिपी की तरह होता है. All have the food recipe, all can customize it to whatever way they want, and so is the case with open source. So open source means open to all. Its source code is available to everyone. So open source doesn't really mean free. It has more to do with freedom. So there's no such thing like free beer in open source. You can improve the software you rely on. Many a times it is the same software that you use that you can contribute to. Heard of VLC Media Player? It's an open source tool. Heard of Android? It's an open source thing. Second, improve your existing skills. So you can use contributing to open source to get your level up, to improve your existing skills. Meet people who are interested in similar things. So you can use open source to meet similar sort of people who are in same field like yours. Find mentors and teach others. So if you are a teacher somehow and you like to teach software developers the things they can and they cannot do, it's a great way to start. It can also help with your personal growth. So if you contribute to open source, you can come in the highlight in the field of software development. Yeah, I mean, how many of software developers you know who are really good in the work they do and are popular too? So let's talk about what it means to contribute. So you don't really have to specifically code. You can do a lot of other things. So by contributing to open source, it means if you have skills to be a designer, you can design various softwares. You can organize workshops and meetups if you like to plan events. Yeah, who doesn't want to come to a online software developer meetup? Maybe programmers are too much lonely. You can also write, you can document things. So who doesn't like to document, है ना? तुमने लास्ट बार अपने प्रोजेक्ट का गेटअप पर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन कब करा था? कमेंट में बता देना. और हाँ, अगर हेल्प करने में इतना ही मजा आता है तो स्टैक ओवरफ्लो पे लोगों के क्वेश्चंस का आंसर करो. हाँ, उसमें क्वेश्चन पूछ नहीं सकते, केवल आंसर भी कर सकते हैं. सच में, मतलब मैंने नहीं करा कभी, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है तुम भी नहीं करो. तो there are many websites where you can look into to contribute to open source. Like these are few. And whenever you are trying to contribute to open source, so please look कि उस open source project के लिए क्या guidelines हैं. And as a beginner, always look for So when you are finally contributing to open source and trying to submit your pull request, keep it short, effective, and just talk to the point. And you have to really communicate effectively. So what happens after you submit a contribution? So there are various scenarios. Most likely you don't get a response. So it's okay. You are a software developer now and you knew that this would be your life when you started, didn't you? Okay, sorry. Some of your contributions would be rejected. Some of your contributions would be required to have some changes. And one of your contribution would be accepted. And वो जो feeling होती है ना contribution accept होने की, it's something different. I can't describe it in words. तुमने contribute कर दिया, बहुत अच्छा. Okay, now you have some idea in mind and you think that let's make this repo to GitHub and I will ask people to contribute to my project. And फिर क्या होता है, तुम GitHub पर repo बनाकर डाल देते हो and you want people to contribute but nobody gives a fuck. Let's be honest. तो उसके बाद क्या है? द गुड ओल्ड डिप्रेशन कम्स इनटू प्ले. हाँ, तो दैट्स ऑल हाउ यू कंट्रीब्यूट टू ओपन सोर्स, व्हाई यू शुड कंट्रीब्यूट टू ओपन सोर्स. एंड
रुको जरा, सब्र करो, सब्सक्राइब करके जाओ, चलो.